Are you searching for the best camera flash? In this video, we will look at the 5 best camera flash, which save you time and money. Number 1. Universal On-Camera Flash Electronic Speedlight. The flash unit has 8 steps of power output control in 3 modes, satisfy different photography environment, has a fast recycle time of approximate 0.1 to 5 seconds, 1/300s 1/20,000s flash duration, giving you great exposure, with a pull-out reflector, diffuser, softbox, and mini stand. Convenient for your use, low power consumption and overheating protection, suitable for DSLR camera with standard hot shoe, nice replacement for Nikon, Canon, Pentax, Olympus, and so on. Comes with trigger, no need to fix the flash on the camera top anymore, more flexible to use, shooting wonderful pictures with stereo feeling, with PC sync socket, the Speedlight and camera can trigger synchronously, and the AT16 trigger transmitter has 16 channels and good interference-proof performance.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 2. YONGNUO YN564 YN564 564 2.4G Wireless Flash Speedlight, supports wireless master function. The YN564 can be used as master unit, provides 3 independent groups with controlling ability, realizing remote control the flash mode, flash output and focal length of the YN564 and YN563. One YN564 can respectively receive the wireless signal from YN564, YN560TX, RF603, I/2, RF602 with optional 16 channels. When the YN564 and YN560TX used as transmitter, it can realize remote control the parameter settings, multiple trigger synchronous mode supported.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 3. JINBEI Hi460 Max Speedlight Camera Flash, good material, made of high-quality material, which is not easy to break or deform. Durable and stable, convenient, built-in wireless allows you to enjoy the freedom of wireless lighting without the hassle of wires and cables, lightweight and portable to carry, powerful, support TTL/HSS, touchscreen HD intelligence, universal hot shoe. Full power flashes more than 550 times, guaranteed. We are committed to providing customers with high quality products and satisfactory after-sales service. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Fast shipping, it will arrive you very soon. You can enjoy your product quickly.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. Godox TT685 2 Camera Flashlight. Godox TT685 2 Camera Flashlight TTL 2.4 GHSS 1/8000 SGN60 Wireless Speedlight TT685 2 for Canon, Nikon, Sony, Olympus, Fuji.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. Original Godox V1 Flash Speedlight, portable to carry. The Speedlight is lightweight and portable, you can take it anywhere. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Quality material, made of high-quality aluminum alloy, it is not easy to rust and corrosion, which can be used for a long time, easy to install remove. The TTL head is easy to install and remove. Just plug in and play, no tools required.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.